Good morning, everybody. I am here with my team, JC Innovators. We are presenting our product, Naturalizers. In this, we have made two things, biopesticides and biofertilizers, on the theme of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
So as we know that synthetic fertilizer and synthetic pesticide causes pollution, whether it is a water pollution or it is a soil pollution. And it also reduces the soil fertility. And it also causes harm to animals and humans. So to overcome this problem, we have come with our biofertilizer and biopesticides. So let us talk about how do we made this. First of all, we took two containers, then put water. Then in first container we put peels like potato peels, onion peels, cucumber peels, etc. Then after 1 to 2 months, that peel decompose in the container. Then our biofertilizer is made. Then if we talk about the biopesticides, so we took a container, then put water in it. Then after that we took some neem leaves and put that in the container. After 1 to 2 months, that leaf decompose in the container. Then our biopesticide is made.
So let's see some advantages of biopesticide. It is not harmful for animals and humans and even environment. It causes less pollution and it is also very cheap and easily affordable by anyone. Some advantages of biofertilizers are it provides nutrient to the soil and enhance soil fertility, and it is also very cheap and easily affordable by anyone. Thank you.
Thank you.